YouTube. I thought I'd be showing you another video today on how to sharpen your knife, the knife sharpening kit. And yeah, I'm gonna need to open this with 2 hands. Whoops. Well, there it is. Knife sharpening kit, and I'm going to show you how to sharpen it. So what I do first is I take out the clamp that I have set up. I'm going to take my knife, open it, and I'll put this in the blade going that way. And I'll show you what it looks like in a second. Well, that's what it should look like when it's in the clamp. And well, right now I'm only sharpening to make it a little sharper. But normally, what can you see? I'd use this hole, not the last one, but the one above it, to give it like a nice, okay, sharpen. And so what I do is I take the first one because it's the roughest, and it'll give it like bare minimum sharp, and I work my way down the same way each time with each of these, and the red one is the last one. And I'm only going to show you with the black one, and then you can figure out the rest because it's the same process over and over again. So you're going to take this, you're going to open the bottle, you're going to take this red cap out, so this foil can come out, and you're going to screw it back on. Then you take it and put like 1 or 2 drops on it, maybe on the thing. You can see the drops, and then what I do is I grab this and take the knife and I'll go put it in the hole like that, and I'll take it along the blade, and I'll just keep going like that. Sorry about that. And then I go and flip it around. Then I do the same thing with the blade. I'll bring it up so you can see it better. I'll go along the blade like that, and I'll just keep on sharpening it. Well, alright, so that's how I would do it, and I would finish off that red one, and I'll keep repeating this process until it gets sharp. Alright.